To download MetaMask Wallet on your PC, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the official MetaMask website. It is crucial to ensure you are on the correct website to avoid any potential scams or phishing attempts. Once you are on the MetaMask website, click on the Add to Browser button, which will redirect you to the available browser extensions. MetaMask supports various browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Select the browser you are currently using and click on the Add to Browser button next to it. You will be redirected to your browser's extension store, where you can add the MetaMask extension. Click on the Add to Browser button. Then confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window that appears. After the installation is complete, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar. Then click on the Create a Wallet button. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet, which should be strong and unique. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to store your seed phrase in a safe place, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you can use it to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. You can also use MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications and explore the world of blockchain technology. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your password and seed phrase private, and never share them with anyone. Regularly update your browser and MetaMask extension to have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up the MetaMask wallet on your PC, giving you access to a wide range of blockchain-based services and applications.